It's not about aging. It's about rejuvenating and getting and staying strong. Incredibly important and underrated consideration when it comes to rejuvenation, anti-aging, staying young, whatever you want to call it. Like, you gotta dial down the stress. You gotta eliminate stress, your cortisol, right? I just finished my little workout here. It was a nice, pretty hard swim today. And while I was drying out in the sun, I just kind of fell asleep on the little chair right here. Fell asleep in the sun, nice cool breeze. As I woke up, I was like in a half awake, half asleep state, feeling the breeze blowing over me, feeling the sun on me, and I was just like, this is heavy. Like, it's very, very, very important that you make time for chill and low key. Napping in the sun after a workout, wonderful. So eliminating stress is more than just, you know, feeling stressed. I think I'm going to go for a run. I'm going to hit the workout. I'm going to do all that stuff. It's literally taking time for yourself that's completely chill and absolutely stress free. Like, I was essentially meditating, like just laying there, deep breathing after the workout, felt a little drowsy, drifted off in the sun, nice breeze, that is putting yourself in a situation where, like, you literally have zero stress. She's got the pop beans out, and pop beans are great, crunchy, wonderful little carby snacks, and completely off the menu for me for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to dive into carnivore because we've been talking. Oh, now it's raining. Because I've been talking about cortisol and reduction of cortisol when it comes to elements of stress. So, cortisol being the stress hormone, a lot of, I'm going to say, literature, research, and even trending information now talks about diets for men over 40 or 50 basically going straight carnivore. There's a couple of reasons for that. One immediately apparent to me is the glutamine factor. Beef is probably one of the highest foods that you can eat when it comes to absorptive glutamine, which is an amino acid, which is incredibly important for health and body benefits more so than just anti-aging. Well, I've been on carnivore a couple of days now. I went, hard quin, got a couple of kilograms of brisket, cooked it up nice and tender. Just been eating beef, trying to figure out like the calories and per kilogram per protein grams and all that good stuff. But the first couple of days, man, I'm just not feeling it. Maybe it's keto flu. Maybe it's like coming off of keto. Maybe it's not getting enough fats. Maybe that's why I feel like I don't want to wake up while I'm feeling like I'm dragging. You know, Got to push myself to get into the laps today. We'll see. We'll see how it feels after about a kilometer. Because on keto, I'll tell you, like I get in the water and it's just power swim, and like you just don't feel tired. You don't feel like you're gonna run out of juice. You don't feel any kind of soreness. You don't feel like the lactic acid building up. Ugh, with the rain. Anyway, well, stay tuned. Let's see how carnivore does. Maybe it's just a couple of days of keto flu, and then I'll get into some of the benefits. Glutamine, reduction of cortisol, and carnivore, baby. Trying to go a bit more carnivore. Getting about a kilogram of brisket a day and cooking it down so it's nice and tender, and then just going whole hog with it. I mean, that's it. Dinner, beef. I said before, when it comes to weight training, I like to switch it up every 8 to 10 weeks. I'll go from 2 or 3 days a week, really full body, heavier weights workouts, to an 8 to 10 week period where I'm doing more of a split style, and I'm in there 4 to 5 days a week. But Now that I'm thinking that I'm back in my heavier full body stage, I'm in the water a lot. So the days that I'm resting, I'm actually getting the laps in. But I'm at the point now where I think I want to get laps in twice a day, early and late, because you come out here at night and it's really nice. It's like a resort. The water is still warm from the sun all day, and why not? You know, what do you guys think about training twice a day? I mean, normally I'll train weights and cardio in the pool, but on my off days, think about hitting laps twice. Hitting that too.